Hi, my name is Cheyenne Gamel, and today I'll be talking about JAXA, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency. JAXA was formed after the merging of three government space agencies, ISAS, NAL, and NASDA, in 2003. JAXA now currently oversees all space activity in Japan. Despite the fact that JAXA is relatively new, Japan has a history of providing crucial expertise for space missions in things like the ISS. JAXA is more prominently known for its robotic missions. This includes missions like Hayabusa and Selene. These missions are to be further discussed in depth later. Japan's first astronaut selection took place in 1985 under NASDA, with three candidates selected: Mamoru Morihei, Chiaki Mukai, and Takao Doi. Mori was the first one to fly into space, riding aboard STS-47 in 1992. The goal of these flights was to conduct research that would be useful towards the creation of the ISS. The most recent selection of astronauts was in 2009. JAXA has several important figures. These are just a few of the ones that I could list. However, there are some very crucial figures in Japanese space history. Koichi Wakata was part of the 1992 astronaut class, and he became the first Japanese astronaut to operate robotics in space. Takao Doi conducted the first spacewalk for NASA in 1997. He was doing procedure evaluations for station aboard STS-87. More importantly, though, Mamoru Morihei, who was picked in the first ever astronaut selection, he is also the first Japanese to travel to the space shuttle. He went to space in September 1992. I could list more important figures. However, there's something that JAXA is known for more, which is its robotic missions. Some of these missions include things like Hayabusa. Hayabusa was a successful trip to an asteroid in 2003 that landed in 2005. It collected samples and returned in 2010. Currently, Hayabusa 2 is on its way home after heading to a carbonaceous asteroid called Ryugu, where it had arrived mid-2018 and it deployed several small robots on the surface. It will arrive home later this year. Selene was a successful lunar mission meant to learn more about the surface of the moon. And Epsilon is a rocket meant to fuel and deploy satellites, and has been active since 2013. Some very crucial missions are ahead for JAXA. However, one of the most prominent ones is Astroscale. Astroscale is a mission working with NASA to remove some of the current space junk in orbit. This was founded in 2013 and is projected to finish its first phase in 2022. Crazy how long some things can take in space. This mission is meant not only to protect us, but reinforce the dangers of debris. Collecting debris and samples from space is one of the main things JAXA is known for alongside its robotic missions. Astroscale is going to reinforce both of those ideas and continue to state JAXA as a very prominent part of our space history. Here's my works cited.